Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 96 divide 8 multiply 6 minus 2. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, but before I solve this question, I want to see your answer. So please pause this video now and comment your answer. Okay, because I will give you a rating from out of 10. So now let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, after comment your answer, you can see the correct solution by play this video. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one parenthesis, one multiplication, and one another parenthesis. Okay, so first priority is parenthesis. So here we have two parentheses, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12 multiply in the parenthesis 6 minus 2. Now here we have one multiplication and one parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 12 multiply. Now 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 12 multiply 4 is equal to 48. Okay, so the correct answer is 48. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.